welcome to our lipstick. So today I'm going to be showing you my everyday kind of errand running makeup routine. So as a busy mom, I don't have a ton of time to sit around and create complicated eye looks half the time because my son is either awake or crying or doing what babies do. So lately I've just been doing a quick makeup routine when I need to get out of the house real quick and run errands, go to the post office, go to the grocery store, that kind of stuff. And this has been working out well for me. My skin is pretty decent lately and I just wanted to show you guys what I do. So right now on my face I just have my normal moisturizer that I put on every morning when I'm getting ready. So now what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer. So I do not apply primer when I'm just running errands because usually I don't need this to last super long, and also I have pretty normal skin so I don't really need primer. So today I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape. This is not my favorite concealer, but for the sake of this video, we're gonna do this. I'm just gonna apply the concealer to my problem areas, underneath the eyes, middle of the forehead, on the chin, and that's it. Then I'm just gonna take a brush and I'm gonna blend this out. Alright, now that I have all that on, the next thing I go in with is my foundation. So this is the Laura Mercier Powder Foundation. It's her Baked, Balance, and Brighten line. I use the color Porcelain. And I just take this on another flat-headed brush here, like this one. This one's an angled one. And I just dip it in the product and go around my entire face. I set the concealer and also apply it to the areas that I did not apply concealer. I don't need to use a ton of this product. I just kind of go ahead and stamp it on and then kind of rub it in with my brush just to give me a nice light layer of coverage so that all of my freckles still show through, but it's just covering up the redness and any uneven skin texture or tone. Now that that's on, I like to go in with a contour kit. So this I'm actually going to use for my face and my eyes today. Makes it super quick. You only need one product here. This is the one from NYX. I also have the Kat Von D one and the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I like to reach for this one because it has a nice shimmery highlight shade in it over here. Has some great under eye ones. All of these browns. Fantastic for the entire face and the eyes. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to go ahead and dip into the bronzer shade that I like to use and apply a little bit to my face just so I don't look so completely white, because you see that I'm pale. I don't like to look dead. Now for errands, I do not contour my face. Most of the time I don't contour anyway. What I'm going to do next though is I'm going to apply some of the browns to my eyes. So I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush, go on in a mix of these two colors, which are the same ones that I use for my face and the bronzer. And now I'm just going to carve out my crease. I don't know what I was about to say there, but we're carving the crease. Then I'm going to take the darkest shade and just pop in right here on the edge. Same brush, don't need to switch it. And then I just take whatever's left and go under the eye a little bit. And I'd be very careful because this is a pretty fluffy brush. I don't want like huge brown under eye circles. Okay, and then I just go in with my finger into the shimmery shade that's in here. Dip it on my little pinky finger here. And I go ahead and apply that to the lid. Most of the time, if I reach for a different palette that doesn't have the shimmer shade in it, I just stop at this. Because it created enough definition for my eyes to look like they have definition. So I don't necessarily need this shimmer shade on here, but because it's in front of me, I'm going to put it on there. And I just go in with my brush again. Just blend to make sure that's seamless. And then I will go ahead and, for the sake of the video and because it's right in front of me, I will go in with some highlight, but generally this is a step I skip when I'm running errands. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my little MAC pencil. This is a nude liner pencil. Go ahead and go in the under eyes. I like to make sure I do this because I have narcolepsy and I look tired a lot of the time. Next up, I'm going to go in with a little bit of blush. I do not skip blush usually just because I am pale, but if you are more tan, like medium skin tones to deeper, you can go without blush and just go with bronzer and it looks fine. I'm not one of those people, sadly. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and pop on my brows. For that, I use my e.l.f. brow pencil. It's super quick to use. You just kind of draw on the hairs. I find it's one of the easiest and fastest ways to fill in my brow is with the pencil. I don't use powders too much anymore. That's definitely faster than a pencil. But I just don't have a powder right now that matches my hair color. I'm sure I do in eyeshadows. I suppose I could look. Now moving on, I'm just going to pop on some mascara. Today I'm using the CoverGirl Supersizer. Alright, and the last step then is lips. And when I'm running errands, I like to use something that's a little bit nicer on the lips. It's a little bit more moisturizing than a liquid lip. So I've been liking these Infallible paints, and my favorite one is the one in 314 Spicy Blush. They also have Spicy Blush, I believe, in their regular lipstick formula as well. I'm pretty sure it's the same color. Alright guys, and that is my fast and easy errand running makeup. Now obviously this video is longer than 5 minutes, but that is because I am showing you guys the products, talking about them and explaining. I can generally do this in about 5 minutes. So yeah, I really hope that this video was helpful for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.